kind of get them to calm down and get out of my way so I can do this. Lots of brood on this one. More queen cup up down there, nothing in it. No sign of the queen yet. I see nothing. Oh, and I got a little larvae out. Oh well. I hear him buzzing a little bit more, so this frame might have the queen on it. I kind of figured she would have been up in the top since there was fresh eggs. Bunch of drone brood. A little bit of capped honey. Still no sign of the queen yet. Right there she is. So we're gonna stick her back, and if you see it. So good, we found her. I'm happy. Oh, now they're going nuts. We're gonna steal this piece right off the top. All right, so we're just gonna go ahead and stick that other box on. Actually, I wanna check this frame. It looks like it's all honey. Nope, just some brood and a whole bunch of honey at the top. So we're gonna go ahead and just button this back up. I found what I wanted to see. But yeah, they got these glued in here pretty good. So I am happy with that. All right, we're gonna smoke these to get them down, then put the other box on. I'm gonna scrape some of this bird comb off the top. I like to save all this. I want to start making candles and stuff. Since my mom loves candles so much, I figured I will make her one sometime. So we're going to replace the cover now. Vent side down, that's how I've been doing it. At least they don't hate me today. Put on the cover, try not to squash any of them. And I always check that front to make sure it's pushed the whole way back, so they can vent. And that's it. Ratchet strap it back up and we're done. So any questions, comments, let me know about the quality of the video, because I don't know how it's going to turn out. And thanks for watching.